Hey guys, welcome back. My name is the Mike James. Welcome to another studio vlog, and today we are back to show you guys what I've been doing this week at Katnipp. Again, it's not going to be a particularly long one, but I am going to be uploading other videos this week, so don't worry about that. Let's just jump into the vlog, and I hope you guys have had a wonderful week. So, another week down at Katnipp, and it's been absolutely fantastic. Now, this week was kind of interesting because I actually did something which I've never actually had to do at the Katnipp office before, and this sounds really weird to say out loud, but I've never actually cleaned the Katnipp office. I've never really been in charge of cleaning. Normally, what happens is I will clean my workstation up. I don't mean that I just don't clean at all, but I'll clean the workstation up at the end of the shift, and because obviously the orders are a little bit quiet at the moment, I was focusing more on actually just cleaning the office. But for now, I'm gonna let you guys kind of just watch me package the few orders that we had throughout last week, and hope that you enjoy the sort of packing side of the vlog. I'd sort of tried to do something a little bit different this time, but I think it's just one of those situations where the studio vlog is late and everything is kind of thrown off track because I've just got a new van, and this is a great time for me to kind of talk about, when you just get a new hobby and it just becomes like your sole focus, and then all of your skills and your time management just goes out the window. Last week was one of those weeks. Buying the Nimbus van, and we're going to do it up and make it all Harry Potterified, and there's a video coming about that on the channel later this week, and it's just taken all of my time and everything's gone out the window. And just real quickly, I wanted to show you guys, I went to get a coaster out for an order, and well, yeah, we kind of had a bit of an oopsie. So it took me about 10 minutes to actually saw all of the coasters out, because they're all similar designs and colours, but they all have slightly different wording on them depending on what it was. So that was just a bit of a finicky area to kind of face. But yeah, I kind of wanted to talk about that this week. I feel like a lot of people get sidetracked, and obviously a lot of people have jobs and family, and it gets a little bit difficult to kind of juggle it all. And then when you throw in there like a brand new hobby or something that you're really interested and passionate about, which in this case is the van and doing it up, all my time has just kind of been in the van. And I was working on the van all of Sunday, which is why this studio vlog is so late. And yeah, it's just been one of those weeks. I'm sure we can all kind of agree that we've all had one of those weeks where everything just seems to get on top of us and we're just lost. We get lost in the moment. It's kind of like opening up TikTok at 1 a.m. and when you go to bed and realizing it's like 3 a.m. and realizing that then you're going to end up with a bad night's sleep. So yeah, it was interestingly sorting out all of the packing area for Katnipp. It was a fun experience, just kind of going through, wiping everything down, trying to figure out how we can stack things up again so that we can have more room and more space, and just generally try and make everywhere just look as if it's cared for, because since Christmas, since our busy period, we've not really had much downtime. So everything was just kind of thrown around, as you can probably tell. Like, if you look at all the stickers and everything was just kind of thrown in different areas to just kind of make life easier. So now it's the time to get in there and really start tidying up and get everything sorted. So I am thankful for all of the support, especially those that have supported the Patreon and the Discord channel, and all of you guys are inspiring me to just continue this journey. And it's been so fun bringing you the inner workings of Katnipp, and I am taking a really deep look at the moment into how I can make these better, how I can make these more entertaining, and just to kind of inspire you guys a bit more, but and inject a little bit more of me into it is also something that I'm kind of looking at right now. But I think a lot of that is going to come from the sort of van life vlogs, if you like, for a lack of a better term. I think that the van life vlogs are going to give a bit more of an injection of me and Ashley, and I think they're going to be great for the channel. But I really hope that you guys do enjoy it. But for now, I'm going to let you guys enjoy some cleaning ASMR, because why not? It's not Christmas, but it almost is.